Hi, in this video you'll see me training a puppy, a 14 weeks old puppy, Shelly, for heel, come to heel, spin to heel position. So I spent extra time training this puppy, Shelly, to behave and sit applied stay position. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Thank you all for watching my video, and ask to please support our channel by subscribing. I want to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. As you know, YouTube has changed its rules for monetization. You need to hit 1,000 subscribers to start getting a little money that will help us. And being a small breeder, I don't have many litters a year, at the most 3, sometimes 1 or no litter in a year, and I stay home to take care of my 4 children, 2 of being autistic. And if you could please support by clicking on that free subscribe button, it would really help us out, and it could help me by you making your comments and seeing what videos do you want me to make of, and progress of my children, or the figs, or puppy training, and breeder life, and how to raise gentle puppies for your business. Thanks so much for watching. You have a good day. For her new family to pick her up. She is sporting a very cute rain jacket, which was given to her from the Cos family for her new family, for her to enjoy. No, Shelly, come. You smelling the rainwater? Come, sit here. Sit, 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 pumpkin. Sit, pumpkin. Sit like that. There. girl. Let's see your pretty rain jacket. So cute. So cute, Shelly. Very cute. Okay? Okay. Sit there on the mat. Sit there on the mat, okay? Okay, sit. Sit here. Perfect. Sit. Sit. Waiting for her new family. Should be here any moment soon. Sit. Shelly, heel. Good job. Sit. Oh, no, Shelly. Sit. Sit. I'm going to step away and I'm going to call her to the heel position. Shelly, heel. Good job sitting. Good job. She's such a good girl. Sit. Look at those eyes. You adorable girl. Such a good girl. Good, Shelly. Good girl. Okay, good. Come. Good girl. Come. Good job, Shelly.